Have you ever heard of the share market? It's like a big marketplace where you can trade pieces of company pies. When a company needs money to grow or do new things, they might decide to cut the pie into smaller pieces. Each small piece is called a share. If the company does well, the shares you own become more valuable too. You can then decide to sell your shares and make a profit. But if the company doesn't do well, the value of the shares might go down, and you could lose money if you decide to sell your shares. That's why investing in shares comes with risks. The share market is where people buy and sell these shares. It's a way to potentially make money, but it also comes with risks.